Want to clean up your Slack workspace and leave channels you no longer need? Here's how to do it in just a few clicks. First, open Slack on your desktop app or browser. On the left sidebar, you'll see a list of all your channels. Scroll until you find the channel you want to leave. Now, right-click on that channel name. In the menu that appears, click Leave Channel. Slack will ask for confirmation. Click Leave again to confirm. You'll immediately be removed from that channel, and it will disappear from your sidebar. If you ever want to rejoin, just click the plus icon next to Channels, search for the channel name, and click Join. Note, you can't leave direct messages or private channels you were invited to by admins unless the workspace permissions allow it. And that's it! You've successfully left a channel on Slack. Follow for more simple productivity tips, and let me know if you want a guide on how to mute channels or manage notifications next.